I love it drawing this character so much. She looks so good. Look at his hair. Do you know how many art commissions I get about curly hair? That's right, almost none. I want to draw more curly hair. If you're listening to this and want to commission me, please send me curly hair characters. I love drawing curly hair. I love it so much. I had so much fun. It was so fast to draw that. I want to know how long it was for me to make this artwork, because for me it was like blink, whoa, it's finished, whoa, how it happened. Literally, it just took 2 art sessions, literally 2 art sessions. The first one for basic colors, and the second one for effects and rendering effects. Good rendering, good effects, rendering. Leave a like, subscribe, that's right. The main objective here was to get the eyes. The eyes looking deep into your heart, saying to you, hey, I can see everything, ha ha ha. I mean, it gotta be as Maxi face, you know, as Maxi face. So, haha, look at you, blink, blink. Of course. Was not the first one, the objective, never, I would never do this. So, I love drawing eyes this relaxed. And have I talked about the hair? Have I talked about this hair? It looks so good. Okay, I wanted to do a pose where you're looking to the character, like the character is a little bit below you. The character needs to look up to look at you like, okay, so we can see both shoulders. We can see collarbone, we can see both shoulders, and I like that I did the second shoulder, the shoulder in the back, even more upwards. People tend to forget this perspective exists, and this perspective is amazing. If you're trying to show that your character, even more of your character's body, please draw this type of perspective. If you want to show even more your character's body, just draw this perspective where we can see the body going even deep into the background and appearing even more stuff, or in this case, the baba waba. So, first things first, I saw that the character's eyes were yellow and the hair blue. Do you know what I thought about it? You got it. Yellow, blue. Who is missing? Pink. That's it. Pink is the one to go. So pink is the background. I was just thinking, okay, I have blue and yellow. If I add green, it's going to look like Brazil flag. And I don't want that. I want to have a more seductive thing. A more haha, wow. So why not pink? Pink is such a welcoming color, such a warm color, such, oh, everything's cute, everything's fine. It's hard to find psychopath characters using pink. Not gonna lie. At least for me, it's hard to find. I know you probably have one in your mind, but I don't have anyone in my mind right now. Damn, the villain on Puss in Boots. Yeah, the villain on Puss in Boots, the rich guy. It's pink in his hair, but he uses purple. He uses purple. I cannot say he uses pink. His hair may be pink, but his clothes are not, from what I remember, I believe. So maybe memory, no? Who knows? But here I was like, why not pink? So let's go with pink. And I thought, so my ambient light is going to be focused on pink and blue, because I want the eyes to be the only yellow thing here. I want everyone to look at the only yellow in this piece, that it's the eyes. I want people looking at the eyes go like, wow, eyes. So all the light, the main light that I made, hitting the character's face, hitting the character hair and body is bluish. Why blue? To go in contrast with the background that is going to be pinks. Pinky dinky doo. So my whole objective was to make the light blue hitting hard in hair, face, shoulder and side part of the boob, while pink hitting all the other side of the face, just to have that great contrast of how is the character silhouette appearing, is the character silhouette good, is the character silhouette not good, and after that, great amount of shadows, great amount of base colors. You know, those great shadows to just separate. Hey, light does not touch. Light cannot touch. Don't touch there. Don't. After selecting everything, I always go to curves too, because I always go like, I know I select the colors, but what if they could be better? What if they could be even better? So I always use adjustments to take my colors to the next level. I don't believe I'm going to get the colors, the best ones at first. Neither should you believe you're going to get the best colors at first. It's pretty hard, you know? Knowing there are more than billions and billions of colors, I think the best is to know. Just know. So I like to use the curves too from Photoshop, and also I like to use, if needed, change in saturation, change in hue, change in contrast, all of those things. But pretty much the only one that I use is the curves too, which you can also have on Clip Studio and Medibang and any other that you can think of, because it's a very common tool. Just people that don't know about it, they don't talk about it. White people don't talk about it. I love that. I color with that. It's easier to color with that. So after doing that, I went just straight into, I'm going to detail this hair like there's no tomorrow. Into the detail this hair. This may look complex, okay? You may look at it and think, hey, it's complex. No, it's not. What I did was to do the letter C many times. Open letter C, close letter C, just C everywhere, so you can see what I see and we see together. And not only by doing the letter C, sometimes I was just doing some trembling lines, some big curve lines, like the letter I, but it was curved, like it was a I, you know, and to create the shadows, I also used a lot the letter Y inverted or upside down, or the letter V, anything that is pointy, you know, and only adding lock of hair by lock of hair, only after doing all of it and only after adding a base color for light on the hair, I start doing one hair strand by one hair strand. Remember, hair strands are details. They should not be how you start your artwork. They should not be the main focus. You only add that when you're like, okay, I have done all of the base on everything. And there's something that few people notice, but on drawing this type of detailed hair, I didn't detail the whole hair in the same level. Only the areas that take light the most, they're extra detailed, but if you look up, very upwards, it doesn't really have as much detailing, because it's not necessary, it's not the main focal point, it's not receiving the same amount of light, so it's a lot of difference going on. So respect the difference in your artwork. Certain parts are going to receive more details and other parts are not going to receive that amount of details and attention. And it's great, because if everything was receiving the same amount, I don't think it was going to look as good as great. For the background, I just drew some random lights and I was like, okay, let me search on Google some stock images, free stock images about party, and I got an image that I love about party and I changed the colors and I changed the perspective and everything and just added. That's a great way to fulfill your background without so much work. Do you know how much you can save time by using those free stock pics? Of course, if you gotta read all the terms and everything. Be sure to read the terms, don't just pick it. Be sure to read the terms. How much time you can save by having those pics and just adding the background. Everything gets so much easier and I love it. I love it so much. I recommend it. Try it out. You're gonna love it too, because you're gonna save time, and we need time. All around the character, I added a layer of fog, a very gentle and soft fog, so we could see clear the silhouette. What is happening? Where's the hair? Where's the fur? And as always, I love adding smudge too to make fur texture and hair texture and all kind of animal fur hair texture. I just love it, much easier for me. In your art program, it may be called blur brush, blur 2, or mixer brush. It just changes the name, but it's still there. And tell me, what do you like the most in this artwork? I love it, the hair. The hair is everything. Have I told you about the hair? Champs, you that is listening to me right now, I truly hope that you're having a fantastic day. And if you're not, I'm giving you right now a hug and a cookie, because cookies are delicious. I just love cookies. Cookies are amazing. Yum, 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 cookie. I love cookies. A random fact, I have adopted a dog. I'm becoming the dog master. I'm going to teach him to sit and roll and bark and lay down and do like it's dead and all of those things. Haha. Random fact finished. So I hope you enjoyed this artwork, because I truly did enjoy this artwork. I love it so much. So different from the main type of artwork that I get. The main type of artwork that I get tend to be buff dudes and always the I'm so confident pose or I'm angry pose, and I'm having a more relaxed eye view. I like relaxed eyes. Relaxed eyes are good. Are your eyes relaxed right now? Please remember to let your eyes be relaxed, not too much screen. Drink water, get your eyes far away from screen, let them relax. You're amazing, champ. If you want to learn art with me, check out link in the description for my art course. That's right, you can learn art with me and have personal feedback of me in your art if you want. What are you waiting for? Click in the link. See you champs next time. Bye bye. Wow.